Hello. I hope this should make me audible. Yes, this looks good. And I hope this should make me. Yeah. All right. Good evening, everyone. At my place, it is exactly December 8th, Sunday, 7:15 p.m. in the evening, and I am right in front of the market. That I'm just having a look exactly on how the markets we are predicting to open on the 9th of December. Also, to talk about what are the plans that we have for these channels. We have been very inconsistent in posting videos, shorts, and doing live stream because there has been a lot of going on in the background. So, yeah, background means not behind me, behind the scenes in the channel. So, it has been a lot of hectic work, so I could not make it. But there should not be a issue anymore hereafter because hopefully 2025 is going to be our year and we are going to make it back probably. Just a minute, let me fix this. All right, so let us I actually have lost a touch. I genuinely have lost a little bit of touch of talking on live stream and doing this show. So I'm just trying to adjust myself and come back into the zone. It's been very long that I have not done this. All right, the first thing that I would like to tell you guys is very simple that I am planning to create a video where I talk about simple thing. If I want to start my journey in stock market in 2025, here are the 25 things that I would like to do. So I am just planning out 25 things that I would like to do in the month of January to December 2025. If I knew nothing about market, that's the first point that I'm looking on. So right now we are just scripting the video because the probably the video is going to be nearly 2-3 hours long. So definitely it is going to be very long, and we're just trying to focus a lot more onto it on how we can make the video better, the words better, and what we are going to teach into that video should have a lot of impact. And I am 100% sure that nobody on the YouTube has ever revealed all the beans, all the secrets onto in our video. So there are like 10 step there are like 10 stages of scripting, and we just have figured out first half of first stage. So the scripting has been done. So there is still nine and a half parts left, which we are planning to focus more on to. So let us see how the future is going to make and build unto us on how we are going to do with that part. So slightly nervous as well because we are planning to upload it before the last week. So there's a lot of things to go because the video is going to be an hour long. I have done a lot of videos which are nearly 30-40 minutes tutorial for my fitness channel and never for stock market. So this is going to be a something that I have done out of the box. I have uploaded nearly 300 plus videos onto this channel, and that those were very simple videos to record. Just put out my words, just come out with no script and anything. So it used to be like that. So I've never put much of it, and I have just like tried to keep it most of the time very simple and like very simple. One second. Yeah. So I've tried to keep it as simple as possible and not make much of complicated onto the thing. So yeah. So now my plan is here only to make sure that I come out as a professional tutor and try to teach all my 5 years. Yeah, probably this would mark as five and a half. Let's consider it as 5 years into the stock market, and I would like to put it all my learnings into all this one video. But it will definitely, I'm going to try to make this vlog, I mean this video, into as deep as possible. But if there are any changes that you would like, or if there are any points that you guys are personally interested in seeing, please maybe you can drop a opinion of yours, and do let me know like how I can probably increase onto making my content much better. So just a minute, just a minute. All right, I am back. Yeah, so what I was talking is basically very simple, that I am also planning to make a lot of things changes over here onto this channel, where I am planning to do more of a conventional video, what uh, other creators do as well onto their channel, when it comes to fitness as well. So yeah, I'm planning to keep it like that way, and I am doing a live stream today without any hesitation and without anything much into the mind. I'm just trying to be blank and open as much as possible and tell you about my plans. I'm planning to do this. I have not much expectations from it. I had this thing in my mind for the last 1 week, and I've started working since yes last night. I sat for like 6 hours last night, and I sat at like 12:30 in the midnight, and then I have been continuously going from there till 7 a.m. in the morning. And I slept, woke up at 11, and then I just scrolled some reels, took some rest, had lunch. That then the time went by. It was like 5, and when I got fresh, I read my Hanuman Chalisa for the day, and then I came back onto the desk and I just thought, let's do a live stream. It's been probably more than a month. I have not talked onto much about this channel, so I just thought, let's do it. Let's see how that goes, and probably that would be a really great idea if we talk about it. So yeah, I am planning more of this thing as well. So I'm really excited. Trust me, it is going to be one of the banger as well. And the video that I'm working on, I'm really, really proud of it. And let us see how that is going to turn much of onto it. And then coming back, I think let's talk now about, let me put myself to the little side and let us see how the market has been performing, because I have not seen the market for the last 1 month, because when I did the last live stream, when you can probably go to my channel and check when was it exactly, to get to know what the dates are, and you'll find out how it is. So after that, I have not had a chance to look into the market. I'm not trading currently, for your kind information. The challenge that I posted on my this channel if I will be able to make my 2 lakhs into 20 lakhs. I failed miserably into that as well. So I would talk about it in some other video, but definitely not here and at this point. So yeah, coming back to the charts. Right now, I am onto Bank Nifty December future this is, all right, and I am on a 3 minutes time frame with a candlestick black and white indicator. I have only put a volume because over the period of last 5 years what I've understood is very simple thing, that as naked as you are into the market with only the thing that you need is much sufficient. I've seen a lot of people where they have hell lot of things put onto their screen, which is slightly bad, not good. And I would not recommend anybody to ever have a cluttered chats. So the chart of any trading instrument. So I highly recommend everyone to just keep a just keep a chat and have a volume, and that's more than enough. You don't need anything in life. Your life is completely sorted if you have only these two things, and you would not require anything else. All right. So right now, 53,690 is the previous closing. Today is Sunday. It means it closed on Friday at 3:30 p.m. at this price. But when you come back to the home, I can see that the Bank Nifty spot price is trading at 53,509, while the future is trading exactly 191 points more, which is 53,700. So you can probably put an estimation of you can probably put up estimation of how that is going. So that is 200 points more. So right now Bank Nifty futures is trading on the higher side. It has closed in green and not in red, while the Bank Nifty index, or you can call it as a spot price as well, that has closed in the red, and even the Nifty 50 has closed in the red. So I probably, with just looking at this here, what we can expect, okay, not be 100% sure, is definitely there are chances that market might open negatively. But if you come back to the trading view scenario of yours, like if you have a trading view, try coming back to it and then see how the world market has been performing at the moment. So right now, Nifty 50 is red, Sensex is red, but S&P 500, S&P 500 is in green, and Nasdaq has closed in green. Dow Jones has closed in red. Japan has closed in red, while UK has also closed in red, and Canada, all right, Composite, Hong Kong, Russia. You can see all this world indexes. All of them have half of them have closed in green, half of them have closed in red. So here the simple thing that I would like to tell you guys is it would be really tough to analyze at as a beginner. It will be very tough to analyze what expectation we can do or probabilities we can have. The highest probability, I would not might call myself a very professional, but with my 5 years of experience, I could tell you that the market is going to open down. It will definitely open in red, and you can mark my words onto this. But probably there might be chances that I can be proved wrong. So yeah, it can happen. I can go wrong, but yeah. So whatever I am looking at the chat right now is what I can see is it. There are high chances that it can open in red. But if you come back to the yeah, I would like to tell you what are the parameters that I'm trying to use in some other video, but not for today because it would drag a long conversation on what made me think what made me even think that the market might open. Okay, a simple probability I would give you is, imagine we are having a tug of war, and there are team of 10 on left side and team of 10 on the right side. So whoever is strongest wins. But here you just think who is more in green, who is more in red. So you count the players. So let's imagine, I will give you a simple technique. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Okay, 37 are in green. Now let's count the red one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. You get that? You got your answer, guys. It's as simple as that. I'm gonna add it here in the comment section below. 41 are in red. One second. What is happening here? 41, 41 are in red, and 37 are in. So imagine on the left hand side there are 41 players, and on the right hand side there are 37 players. So you tell me who would win this type of war. And whatever your answers is, 41 is red, 37 is green. So whatever your answer is, it would eventually describe what is tomorrow's opening. Okay, so there are totally 80 symbols, and I have not counted Nifty here in this. Okay, so this is probably a world market. If 41, if you count Nifty into this, it will be 42, because Nifty has also closed in the red side. So yeah, this is the main thing that I would like to tell you, then how the market is moving for the tomorrow. Okay, so I am a big fan of Bank Nifty. Whenever I would like to trade futures, I always prefer and to trade in Bank Nifty, because I know it very well. It is like my wife. I have been married to Bank Nifty. I know what its behavior, at what point it would react, and how it would react, and how it would save me. And if you have taken short position of a selling, or if you have taken a put position buying from on Friday, so you might have a chance of having a good day tomorrow at the opening. I would suggest that first 15 minutes or 10 minutes, get out of it. Don't stay, because after that I can see a good amount of volume is trying to come onto the market, and there are high chances that people might even start buying, and from there the market might even go up. So be ready for that, whatever it is, we don't know, but be ready for that, whatever might come. And I'm not giving you any financial advice. If any loss happens or profit happens, I am not responsible for it. I am just sharing my point of view for my YouTube channel, for the future of me, so that I can look back and see. Probably that's why nobody sees my videos nowadays, because I've been very inconsistent. But anyways, if somebody ends up seeing this, please make sure that it is completely for myself. All right. Coming back to the topic, from 3 minutes, I am planning to shift back to 30 minutes. So there has been a uptrend. You can see from 21 November, today date is exactly 8 of December. You can see from the 21 November, the market were trading at 50,206 and the volume were nearly 1,52,000. From there, it has gone up to 53,956. So you can do the math. It is as simple as that. All right. So please try to understand. So there has been up over of nearly 3,000 points, some change. And if you okay, let me give you an example. If I show you 50,000, which is slightly deeper at in the money, I would buy a call option of December. Okay, let's play with only one quantity. Okay, not more than that. Let's shift it to 5 minutes for a better understanding, and then let's go to 21 November. Okay, why is it? I think it is not listed. Okay, so let us go on 30th November. While this we are buying at 100 rupees. Imagine that. No, one second. This is page India. I was wondering what's happened. Bank Nifty 50,000 call option. I was wondering. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I am so bad at this sometimes. I forget. This is I was wondering why there are no volumes. I actually took a wrong instrument and I'm really sorry about it. I feel ashamed of myself for that mistake now. Okay, coming back to 21 November. So 21 November day's low is 1297 and the day high for the same thing is 1700. Okay, so if you consider an average price, I imagine that I have bought it for 1600. Okay, I bought it for 1600. You can see a profit of 2129 points, and it has gone at the highest of 3100 first, and then it has also come back to 2300. That can give you a little bit of trouble as well. Plus, on the highest side, it has gone to 4,000, and then again, it has come down to 32,000 odd out changes. So, that is completely fine. Okay, so I'm going to explain you here how this is going to work. Right now, the imagine that if you would like to sell it here at 3,500, the amount you would receive is 52,500 rupees. Okay, imagine you had bought this at 1,600. It would cost you only 24,000 rupees. So you imagine, so 24,000 invested is now giving you a straight away profit of 52,500. So on an average you are earning here easy money in the 15 days, in the 15-20 days span of period, you're earning nearly 26,500. Okay, so this is slightly risky as well. Okay, because holding on to a very huge chunk of like in the money, you don't know where the market is going to go, but max to max it can go back to 600. Okay, so now if I would like to restart the same journey, what I would do is I would imagine where the market is trading at right now. Right now the market is trading at 53,500, and tomorrow if the market is opening, imagine if it opens at 53,400 and then it pushes itself to go to 40, it pushes itself to go to 54,500. Okay, so that will hold it at an upper end. Okay, so we imagine you have good amount of money. So what I'm gonna do is I would go to 54,500 Bank Nifty PE. Okay, as simple as that. And I would go for December option. Okay, so right now I'm on December 7th, so I would not like to stay here. So what I would do is Bank Nifty, I would now move to the next month option. Okay, so 54,500, I would go for a PE, but in the 25 January, 25 stands for 2025, 54,500 PE. and it is trading at 1300 rupees. Tomorrow, when the market opens slightly gap down, there are chances that it might go up to 1500, and it can it can also from here it can also move to it can also move to if it goes really good on the lower side of the market, it can go to 15, 16, 1700 tomorrow. And if the market tries to perform good and end up in a color, it would end up going to 1200. On an average, I would like to buy this at 1450. As simple as that. I'm not doing any bullshit here. Try this thing. If it works, please let me know. I don't want your single profit. If the losses happen, it's yours. If profit happens from this, it is yours. You just make sure that you watch my videos. That's it, nothing else. And probably share with your friends if possible, and hit that subscribe button as well. Okay, so right now I would like to tell you one lot we are going to buy at 1450. Okay, that's it, nothing else. We are going to place it, and don't ever, ever, ever touch this or even look at this for the next 2 weeks. What does 2 weeks stand for? 2 weeks stands from Monday to Friday is 1 week. Chuck off Saturday, Sunday, then go to week two, Monday to Friday. As simple as that. And on the week two, today is exactly Sunday. Tomorrow is gonna start Monday, and you're gonna start with this thing. And on the next Friday, after 15 days, you just look at what it is, and then you would end up seeing that this option of 25 January 2025 54,500 put option is trading anywhere between 2500 to 4000 rupees. Okay, 20,000 rupees you have invested, imagine it ends up at 2500. Okay, um what's happening here? Sorry, what's happening? 13 1400. Okay, not here, I guess. It's not happening anywhere. I don't know what's the scene probably with it. So 2500 into 15 is exactly 37,500. Imagine 37,500 minus 20,025. You are making exactly 17,475 in the next 15 days, which is pretty much mind blowing. And on the higher side, if the things work out for you and it ends up like the 50,000 call option and the market comes back to 49, 50,000, there are high chances it can even touch 6,000. But on an upper scale, let's not be too greedy and we exit at 3,600. Simple as that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is 3,600 into 15, it comes at 54,000 rupees. Exactly 54,000 rupees is what it comes. And you can do the math if you're listening to me. I'm on man in the monitor. But yeah, if you are looking for this math, you can definitely do that at yourself, at your convenience. But I would still like to show onto my calculator. Okay, so 54,000 minus my investment of initial amount is 20,025. Brokerages and all will come around 300 rupees. So we'll consider it as post. Okay, you are going to make exactly 33,000. One second. Yeah, so you will be ending up making 33,975 by only watching this live. Trust me, if you don't do this, let me know. But I'm not responsible for whatever happens. The minimum after the 2 weeks Friday, the bare minimum you're gonna end up is when the market is open, you're not seeing your holdings. You will not see. If you are a man of your words, you'll not see your holdings. during that period. Only once the market is closed you will see, but it you will not let it dictate your emotions. Okay, that is really really important. So 33,975 you can make on the upper limit, and on the lower limit around 17,000. But if you lose, be ready to give a stop loss of 50%, because this is a 15-day trade. Monthly we're just taking two trades. First month, first 15 days of the month always goes for the next month, and the second month goes to the next, and then it continues. Because if things in case if the things comes 80-90% loss, and you just slightly emotionally attached that you want to wait for a while, so probably you can wait, because the more the time, the much the better, because one sudden fall, it'll shoot up. Okay, so imagine you have bought at 1400 and your stop loss is at 700. So 1400 minus 700 is going to exactly end up with 700 points. 700 into 15, the maximum amount you are here about to lose is 10,500. Isn't that concerning for you guys? Hmm? So yeah, I would like to tell you guys only one thing, that if you do this properly, this is what you're going to achieve. So make sure that you don't miss out onto this trade what I have just given you. It is a personal thing. Okay, so if loss happens, it's yours. If profit happens, it's yours. Just make sure that you watch this video, and I hope I have given a good amount of one of the best trade for I genuinely love this kind of trades, and I just planned out onto this trade, and trust me, it'll really work into your favor. But be ready to lose at least 10,000. Okay, so the pulse right now is up and down. It can move anywhere between up, down, and something like that. So whatever it is, you guys have to play it alongside your stop loss. Target number one is 2600, target number two is 3600. If you feel at exiting at like 2600, you can definitely exit at 26. If you feel that you want to exit at 36, you can exit at 36. I don't mind. But if you feel that you want to exit at but if you feel like you want to exit at 36, you can exit at 36. But if you feel like you want to exit at 3000 or you want to exit at 2000, it's all up to you. But I have given you a stop loss. First target, what profit you would make. Second target, what profit you would make. So that's a thumbs up. Sorry, there are three thumbs. I'm sorry. Why is this not coming? Show me. Ah, sometimes having apple sucks. No, it does not. I'm in love with the apple. Ecosystem is so smooth. Yeah. So if you take three trades in the next 45 days and you follow my stop loss and target number two, there are high chances you guys can afford a Mac Mini. So I'm not asking for a gift, but yeah, take two lots, one for you, one for me. Let's see. So I guess that's all I have to say for today. And happy Sunday, guys. And I hope you guys have had a good Sunday. For me, I was just working because I have not made it yet in life. So I'm just trying to make. So thank you so much, everyone. If you have watched this video up until here, I'll see you in the next live stream. This is where I'm just trying to keep it as casual as possible. And yeah, there are hardly one viewer who is watching my live, and trust me, that is me. Only one person has come and watched this live, and nobody else. But anyways, that has not been disheartening or discouraging me for the last 3-4 years. I've been consistently posting my videos no matter what I do, what I get views or not. I just don't care. I just want to do this, and I'm doing this, and I'm really happy about it. So thank you so much everyone for watching up until here. Jai Hanuman, Jai Shri Ram. I'll see you into the next video. Take care, bye bye, and all the best with your trade. Again, I'm repeating, I'm not responsible for your trades. Okay? If the target hits, profit yours, but I deserve a thankful. But if I If you the stop loss hits, I don't deserve to be blamed. It's all your responsibility. Okay. So thank you so much. Bye. Love you all. If you see this video, hit a like, share, drop a comment, and let me know how was this. Thank you.